Hey everybody, I'm Destiny. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel because my channel is about building our businesses, having multiple side hustles, and also self-care. So if those topics interest you, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. And today's video is going to be a part of my self-care series because I'm going to be showing you my new Rolex. So go ahead and stay tuned. So this watch is something that I've been wanting for a very long time. And I feel like as an entrepreneur, like as we set goals for our different businesses, it's important to reward ourselves. So one of the things that I did is when I started my I Am Destiny Adams business is that I set a goal. And once I reached that certain goal, which happened to be in June, I said I was going to buy myself my Rolex. So I'm going to show you the exact one that I got. Go ahead and turn. And it comes in this cute green box and also in this box as well. I'm going to show you the green one. So I'm going to do a close up for you. Hopefully you can see it with the way I got the camera positioned. So this is the watch. Oh, if you can. I'm going to actually take this watch up out of here. So this is the Rolex Oyster Perpetual in the Datejust. And the Datejust watch, so it has the date right here. And I got the 36mm watch because I know a lot of girls like to get the smaller ones, either up to I believe they go up to a 31 in the women's, 31 or 34. But I wanted to get the 36 because I like the way it looked on my wrist in particular. And this watch is the two-tone is 18 karat gold here, and then stainless steel here. And this is the Jubilee band. They had a different band that you can get with it, but I like that this one, it had more detail on it. So that's why I chose this one over the other one. And my band actually has a hidden clasp. So that is, let me turn it around. So that is this piece right here. So when you put it on, like I know some of the, even the newer ones and the older ones, like they have one that has the clasp that is like, it goes from about here to here. So I'm going to show you exactly how this one looks with the hidden clasp. So when you put it on, and they had to take a lot of links out of mine because I have a very small wrist. So this how it is with the, hidden clasp. As you can see, it's just a continuous line going on. And then the other things that I liked about this watch is that it has a fluted bezel. So that is this piece of the watch. And as you can see, it has the like small lines. So that way when the, like, even if the lights, I'm pretty sure you can see the lights or the sun hits it, it gives it a nice clean detail. So I really like that part about the watch. And I also have the, hold on, let me take a look in to see. I have some notes written down for it. This is a gold stick dial. And this is also has a quick set. And this also has a quick set movement feature. So I know like with the older watches, when you do the movements to change the date, you'll have to keep spinning this part around to change the different date settings. So with this one, it has a feature to where you can just click it a couple times and it'll change the date. So that's a cool feature. And as I said, this is my first watch, so I'm still learning everything about it. So if I say anything wrong, just drop some corrections in the comments, if you please. But yeah, oh, and also, so I ended up getting the champagne. I have the champagne dial. So that's this part right here. And I was also looking at this one and the one with the white dial, but I like the champagne dial better because just in case I'm wearing black, I didn't want the white one. I'm one of those people who are very matchy. So yeah, I liked the gold one better. Let me see, what else can I tell you about this watch? So yeah, that's pretty much everything you need to know. And also, and one of the things that I was very particular about when getting my watch is that I didn't want any diamonds. So when you start adding different adjustments and aftermarket diamonds to your watch, Rolex won't touch it. So I know I've been seeing a lot of people get different dials, adding diamonds here, but I wanted to just keep my watch original. So then by the time it goes for me to sell it, whether that's 10 to 20 years from now, I'll have a wider market to sell it to. and it'll also be worth more. And then with this particular watch, you get a lot of women who do like the bigger face Rolex watches. So this watch I can sell it to a woman, or I can either sell it to a man. So that's one of the things that I did like about this. And I love this box too. So yeah, that's my watch. Very cute and classy. Oh, let me add all this back in here. So yeah, so if you've enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to add me on Facebook and Instagram. I am Destiny Adams, or you can add my business page, which is the Traveling Hair Boss, which I also just launched these cute t-shirts. So you can get this one on the website, IamDestinyAdams.com. And if you want to see more pictures of it, head on over to my social media channels. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for me regarding the watch, I can answer them in the comment section, or you can send me an email. But yeah, so thank you so much for watching. And also, if you want to see more unboxing videos from me, go ahead and let me know in the comment section. Thank you.